so deep. Whoa. 皆さんこんにちは、ゆかりです。バンクーバーでは先週末からめちゃくちゃ雪が降って、すごい雪景色になりました。バンクーバーでも場所によるんですけど、私の家のところへんは30センチぐらい積もりました。今日はこの雪を使ってRealオラフを作りたいと思います。ディズニーフローズンのオラフです。今から頑張ってオラフを作ります。なんかね、雪を見るとすごい雪だるまを作りたくなるので、いつも彼を誘うんですけど、いつも彼はノーって言うんですよ。今日はなんかちょっと手伝ってくれるっぽいです。イエーイ手袋をして挑みたいと思います。じゅうちゃん Do you wanna make a snowman? You're not gonna help me?
I'm gonna help you.
Yay! Yay! ということで、we're gonna make an Olaf! Yay! Okay, let's begin. Do you know Olaf?
No.
Okay.
Does he have a body?
Yeah.
Is it a round body?
Yay! Begin! It's hard to make a hard ball. Juju's ball is so big. That's so big. Wow. I made these.
Wow, it's really good. This is amazing.
Oh yeah,
I'm so impressed.
he made it. Real ore.
I really want to spin kick him in the head. Careful, don't fall down. don't knock him over.
Okay. Hard to see his hair. Here. Carrot nose.
If anybody sees that, they will know exactly what it is.
できましたオラフイエーイ A little bit ugly but maybe it's good.
I think it's great.
Yeah.
Like the shape of the head is right, the shape of the body is right.
And
You did a great job with the teeth.
Teeth. And it's so big, like this, about the same as
Inside.
yeah, my size. I think Olaf is actual Olaf is smaller than this, or maybe
No, I used little.
little. I was thinking about the smaller one, but yay! We did a good job. ということで今回は実際にオラフを作ってみたのビデオでした。皆さんも勇気があったらぜひチャレンジしてみてください。今回のビデオ楽しんでもらえたらいいねとチャンネル登録お願いします。ということでまた次回お会いしましょう。バイバーイ。